Now we will talk about what is that positive work done. Now the work done is positive if the force that is acts on the body in the direction of its motion. So that means the angle. So that means you can say that. So let's say this is nothing but obviously the force which I am applying and the displacement which is occurring in the same direction over here. So now the force might be, you can say that it is from 0 to 90 degrees. So that means even I can apply the force in this way on this your block, let's say for example, yeah, or even, yeah, so this is the angle, it has to be between 0 to 90 degree. Then and then you can say that the work done is positive. So in that case you can say definitely the direction of your displacement, and you have to take obviously one of the component of that force over there. So this is again you can say the F cos theta and the displacement of your block. So that will be in the same direction. So that is, you can write it down, Fs cos theta. So let's say one of the example, so where you can say that your Fs cos 0, so which will get W is equals to Fs, and you will get the maximum work done for this particular case over here. So let's say now the 0 work done. So in case of 0 work done, so we can say the force is applying in the upward direction and we are moving in the, let's say, the perpendicular to it. So in this case obviously the work done is 0. So you are just picking up the books and you are moving in the straight direction. So the force is acting, let's say, in the upward direction and the displacement is on the right side. So in that case you can say that the work done is 0 over here. Even we can say that, so when the work is 0, so the force is applied on a body doesn't produce the displacement. So this is a wall and you are applying the force on that wall. So the force, that wall is not going to displaced at all. So that means you can say the work is not done scientifically over here. So the man holding a book in his hands in a stationary position doesn't do any work, since definitely the weight is acting in the downward direction and there is no displacement. So this is how we can say about the work is done, that is 0. So today let's say you are saying that I have done study for the 10 hours, yeah, so by just sitting at one place, so which doesn't means you had done, the work done by you is nothing but 0. So this is how we can say when the condition for your work done is 0 over here. So again, so for this case the force is applied on a body 0, so that scientifically work is not done over here. Fine. So this is what we can say for this particular case in this scenario. Now even when we consider that, let's say a body is moving under a uniform motion. So when we are saying that it is performing a uniform motion, so the value of your acceleration is 0. So if acceleration is 0, then again I can say that, so that force, the resultant force applying on it is 0. Yeah, so that means if the force it is 0, then definitely the work done is also 0 over here. So that is again, so this is one of the special case where we can say the work done is 0 over here, since the resultant force, there is no net force acting on that block over here for this particular case.